Hello, Laney Scholars. In this video tutorial, we will show you how to schedule a Zoom research session. This tool is recommended for students who need extensive research help but are unable to meet with a librarian in person. In the Laney Library homepage, scroll down to the center of the page and click the Zoom Research Help icon in the center. Fill out this form to schedule your Zoom research session. We recommend that you provide as much information as possible so that the librarian gives you the best help. Your name and email address are required. Type your name in the first box and your preferred email address in the second box. Type your phone number in the third box and the course number in the fourth box. Type a brief description of your research topic in the fifth box. In the sixth box, type a brief description of your research need. In the seventh box, type the names of the resources you've tried and the search strategies you've used. You can upload relevant documents such as your assignment prompt or syllabus by dragging the file from your desktop and dropping it anywhere on this silver upload box. Alternatively, you can attach relevant documents by clicking on the silver upload box and selecting a file from the File Manager window. Finally, select a date and time for your research session. Please list 2 date and time options. Please note, Zoom research hours for fall and spring semesters are 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Mondays through Thursdays, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Fridays, and 9:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. Saturdays. For your preferred date and time, first type in the date or select the date by clicking the calendar tool on the right of the date box. Select your meeting session time by clicking the arrows above and below these boxes to adjust the hour and minute, then click the blue button on the right to switch from AM to PM. Repeat these steps for your second preferred date and time. Then click the Submit button at the bottom of the page to submit the form. A librarian will contact you within 2 weekdays to schedule a Zoom meeting. If you need help using library resources or have questions about your library account, please email library@peralta.edu. If you need immediate research help, visit this link or click the Ask a Question tab on the right of the Laney College website homepage to chat live with a librarian.